Hi, this is Naushad from Allahabad, UP. We are here to talking about the linear equation in one variable, class 8, chapter number 2. Let's come to the topic in this session. Take some equation, for example. Let's take x is equal to 7 plus 3. After considering these equation, we assume that the x is equal to 7 plus 3. X is only one variable in this equation. X is only one variable in this equation. One variable, so that we can say that easily this equation is one variable equation. We can easily check out that, verify that this equation is one variable equation. Take another example. X plus y is equal to 10. After considering these second equation, we assume that the variable is x plus y. X plus y is in equation. There are two variable in this equation, x and y. X and y is the two variable in this equation, so we can say that that is two variable equation. Let's come for third example. Third example is x square plus y is equal to 20. After considering these third equation, we can easily see that this third equation is different from first and second equation. This third equation is different from second and first equation because the power is different in these equation. Here is exponent power is 1, here is exponent power is 1, but in third equation we can easily verify that the equation power is different. In first and second equation, here the exponent power is 1, but in third equation we can easily verify that the exponent power is 2. So we can say that the third equation is different from first and second. Equation number 1, x plus 2 is equal to 3. After considering these equation, we can easily verify that the variable is only one in this given equation. Variable is 1. This is called the variable. This is called the variable. X variable may be more than 1, 2, 3, 4. So considering these equation, we can easily say that there are only one variable in this given equation. In this given equation, because of one variable, so we can say that this given equation is a one variable equation. Got it? Because of only one variable in this equation, we can easily say that this equation is a one variable equation. Linear equation. For linear equation, the condition of linear equation is says that the highest power of exponent of variable will be always 1, not more than 1. Linear equation condition says that the highest power of exponent of variable not be greater than 1. The highest power will be always 1, always 1. Then we say that the given equation would be linear equation. If the highest power of exponent of variable is 2, then it will be not the linear equation, it will be the name of quadratic equation. We call that equation is not a linear equation. This equation is called the quadratic equation for the highest power of 2, not greater than 2, but the highest power will be 2, then the equation called the quadratic equation. But we are talking about these equation. These equation is a one variable. These equation is one variable, and highest power of exponent is nothing but 1. Nothing but 1. The highest power of exponent is in this given equation is nothing but 1. So we easily say that this given equation is a linear equation because of the highest power of exponent of variable is 1, then it is a linear equation, and there are no any other variable in this given equation, so we can easily say that it is also a one variable equation. If we have a second equation, for example, x plus y is equal to 7. Considering these equation, there are two variable. Two variable is x and second variable is y. First variable is x and second variable is y. So we can easily verify that this given equation is two variable equation. Got it? This given equation is two variable equation. Got it? And highest power of exponent, there are highest power of exponent, here is 1 and here is also 1. Then highest power of exponent is also 1. Highest power of exponent is be 1, then the equation called linear equation. It's also a linear equation. But two variable. We can easily verify that this equation is two variable equation, and it also a linear equation because of its highest power of exponent is also 1. So this equation is a linear equation but two variable equation. If we take another example, x square plus y is equal to 20. Considering these equation, we can easily verify that there are two variable. One variable is x and second is y. So this given equation is two variable equation. And talking about the exponent, here is exponent power is 2 and here is exponent power is 1. So verifying these equation, we can easily verify that this given equation is highest power of exponent is 2. Here 1 and here is 2. So highest power of exponent of variable is 2. Then this equation is a two variable equation but not a linear equation, because in linear equation the highest power of exponent of variable will be always 1. But in talking about these equation, their highest power of exponent is greater than 1. Highest power of exponent is greater than 1. Here is highest power of exponent is 2. Then these equation called quadratic equation. These equation called quadratic equation. This given equation is two variable equation but not a linear equation. It's a quadratic equation because the highest power of exponent of variable is greater than 1. Here the highest power is 2. Then it's a quadratic equation. The highest power of exponent of variable may be more than 2, but in this session today we are talking about the linear equation. So we are talking about the linear equation. So for these example quadratic equation and more than quadratic equation, we discuss in the next session in next video. So equation, for example, to solving, we take a equation for example x plus 3 is equal to 7. After considering these equation, we can easily check that there is only one variable, that is x. There are only one variable, that is x, in this given equation, not any other variable except x. Here is only x is the variable. not any other variable in this given equation. So we can easily say that this given equation is one variable equation. And about the exponent we can easily see that there are nothing but one exponent power of x. There are nothing but highest power of exponent is 1 in this given equation. So we easily say that this given equation is a one variable equation and a linear equation because of the highest power of exponent of variable x is 1. So this is a one variable equation and also a linear equation. Exponent power may be 2 or more than 2, but in this equation the highest power of exponent is 1. So this is a linear equation. For solving these equation, the approach to solve these types of equation, first we arrange the all variables in one side and all integer is another side of equal. Again, for approaching these types of linear equation, we arrange the all variables in one side and all integer in another side of equal. So come to solve these equation. X plus 3 is equal to 7. X is equal 7, and if we take plus 3, another side of equal, replace its sign from plus to minus or minus to plus. If this integer sign is plus left side of equal, then we take the other side, yani right side of equal, the sign of the integer will be changed, plus to minus sign will be changed. Replace the position of the integer or variable, the sign will be changed from plus to minus or minus to plus, respect with the equal. Then x is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Then we find the value of variable x is 4. We can easily verify the value of x is equal to 4 is correct, right or wrong. After putting the value of these found variable in the given equation, we can easily verify that value is correct or wrong. Then verifying these value of variable is correct or right or wrong, after putting these variable value in these given equation, if left hand side and right hand side is equal, then our found value is correct other than wrong. For verifying these equation, our found value is right or wrong, then we put the value of these found variable x is equal to 4 in the given equation. Equation is x plus 3 is equal to 7. We found the value of variable x is 4. Then put the value of x is 4 in the place of x plus 3 is equal to 7. The sum of 4 plus 3 always given 7 and 7. Then we see that LHS is equal to RHS. So we are happy and we can easily say that our found value of variable x is equal to 4 is right. And about the quadratic equation and any other types of equation we discuss in the next video. Thank you.